Hi everyone, welcome back to Chels Treasures. This vlog is a little different, less sightseeing. Back in February, I took a solo trip to Butuan City to attend a school-related conference. And while I didn't get to explore the city, I stayed in two different hotels, survived a 12-hour commute, and met some truly inspiring people along the way. I came back feeling recharged and inspired. My trip started with a familiar RoRo ride from Ozamiz to Mukas, and from there I hopped on three different buses to reach Butuan. The entire journey took around 12 hours. I didn't get to film much during the land trip because honestly, I was asleep most of the way. But yes, it was that long. For my first 2 nights, I stayed at Watergate Hotel, right at the heart of Butuan. I booked their light room, which is the most affordable option, but it already included a breakfast buffet and everything I needed. The design was modern and calming. That truly felt like a warm Butuanan welcome. Plus, their in-lobby business center and reliable Wi-Fi were a big plus. For my last night in Butuan, I checked in at Hotel Oazis, which was also the venue of the conference. I booked their standard room and it had a bigger space and a cozy ambience. Hotel Oasis is often praised for its spacious rooms and peaceful atmosphere. It's also more centrally located, so getting around is easier. And yes, it also came with a breakfast buffet. Between the two, Watergate wins for modern aesthetics and food, while Oasis shines with its bigger space, quiet vibe, and convenient location. Though I didn't get to explore Butuan, the real heart of this trip was the conference. I left with something even better, the connection. I had the chance to meet professionals from different fields, all driven by the same passion for learning and growth. That kind of energy is contagious and deeply inspiring. On my way home, I reflected on the trip. I may not have seen the full beauty of Butuan this time, but I'm bringing home new memories, inspiration, and stories worth treasuring. Sometimes, the best treasures we find aren't places. It's the people we meet and the stories we take with us. Thanks for joining me on this quick Butuan trip. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Chels Treasures, where we collect not just places but the heartbeats of life's journey. Bye!